swim trunks, toiletries, hairspray, glasses, hair dryer, shoes, flip-flops, bug spray, socks, shirts, Game Boy. Dubai to LAX? Nope. Get ready to leave. Test all this out.
Oh yeah. You're nuts. Okay. Yes, you can.
Okay.
Hey babe. Are you ready?
Oh, I don't care about you anymore. I'm going to Australia, man. See you later.
See ya.
Okay, now open your mind up and listen, me followers. I'm trying to lead us to victory, followers. If you do not listen, then we will be history, followers.
Alright guys, this is it. I'm on the way to LAX to catch my Virgin Australia flight direct to Sydney. It's the final round. I'm going for the Chief Funster. There's only 3 of us left, and I'm gonna give it my best shot, but I'm only here going because of all of you, and that's very clear. I wouldn't have been here without all the support, the constant comments and likes and shares and all those, and I'm just so thankful for all the support I've had, and this is it. You guys get to see the byproduct of all your efforts, and I'm glad I'm here. Few things. I'm going to be updating constantly. I'm going to be there and doing all the normal Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, blah, 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 but I'm also going to be doing more in-depth blogs, videos on my site, which is where'sthefun.at, simple enough. And also, I'm going to be doing Google Hangouts, so every day I'm going to try and tell everyone what happened, what's going on the next day, and then I'll be live. I'll be putting out links. So if you happen to be online when I'm doing it, come say hey, just pop in the Hangout, ask me some questions, say hi, whatever, and we'll go ahead and do that too. I would love to connect with you guys while I'm gone. So, like I said, it's not over yet. Luckily, I don't need everybody to go on Australia's pages and just bomb them with Pick Andrew comments. However, please, just follow what I'm doing. Say hey, like stuff, share stuff. Just interact. I'm going on an adventure, and I'm going to tell a story. I'm not going for myself. I'm going to show everybody that Australia, there's no place like it on Earth. So I'm going to find out and show it firsthand. So I will see you there. Peace.